Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of August 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, Aries, I would really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message does not resonate with you, Aries, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, and your Venus sign. And on today's reading, we're going to be looking at your energy and your person energy, and I'm also going to be pulling advice card for you here. So let's start with the reading here, Aries. On this side here is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming out for you here, Aries, I'm getting a very strong air sign, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. I'm also getting a very strong water sign coming up here as well, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now let's look at into your energy here, Aries. Now at this point of time here, I'm getting the Two of Cups, and I've got the Justice energy coming up here with the Five of Cups energy coming up here as well. Now the first message that I'm getting coming up for you here, Aries, some of you here is currently going through, or someone is currently some group of you, I would say here, Aries, is currently going through a certain legal issue and legal system. Now this legal issue and legal system here could be actually related to your love situation, could also be something like in general that is currently going on in your life here, Aries. And I've also got this Two of Cups energy coming up here, a very strong soulmate connection coming up here, Aries. So the first thing that I've got coming up is that some of you, a group of you here, I would say some group of you, I would say here, Aries, is currently going through a divorce, like legal separation or something to do with legality, finalizing finalizing the child support or child custody issue to finally be able to be together with your true divine counterpart, with your soulmate or with your twin flame. Now some of you here, Aries, I'm also getting a very strong guilty energy as well as regretful energy coming up here as well. So some of you here, Aries, have been going through a certain period of time, a certain self-blaming, I would say here. Some of you here still blaming up yourself very strongly for whatever had happened between you and your person in the past. I've also got the world energy coming up here with the Nine of Wands energy coming up here. The first thing that I've got coming up for you here is actually to stop all of this regretful energy, all of this self-blaming energy. Like, stop putting up the pressure onto yourself here is what I'm getting. Because honestly, with the energy that I'm getting coming up for you here is there is going to be a massive change starting to come up for you here. And before this massive change, this massive shift is actually going to start coming up into your life, first thing that you need to do here is that closing up the chapter onto your past with this World energy coming up here. This is a very strong completion of a cycle energy that I'm getting coming up for you here, Aries. So you need to go through a certain realization, I would say, or you need to go through a certain phase in your life here where you are able to let go and release anything that is no longer serving you here. So this is finally you closing up all the doors for your past, and like basically letting go of anything or anyone that is no longer serving you here for your highest good. So the moment that you are ready to close up the chapter, the moment that you are ready to complete all of this past chapter, like dealing with all of this karmic situation or karmic lesson here, then after that you're going to see a lot of progress starting to be happening onto your life here, Aries. This is also why I've got the Nine of Wands energy coming up here. Some of you here still having this very strong defensive energy around you. For some reason, you either because of the ego energy I'm getting here, or just like I said before, all of this pain and all of this regretful energy here, might be a reason why you are putting up all of these defensive walls surrounding yourself, putting up all of this box surrounding yourself. So the first step here is that you need to step outside of the box. You need to step outside of this defensive wall that have been building up here, Aries. And for you to be able to do that here, you need to make peace with a certain situation of your past here is what I'm getting. Now let's look at into your person energy that I've got coming up here. I've got the High Priestess coming up here. I've got the Moon, and I've got the Knight of Swords energy coming up here with the Six of Swords. I've also got, wow, wonderful energy I've got coming up for you here, Aries. The Lovers energy I've got here, the Four of Wands I've got here, the Six of Cups, and for your energy here I've got the Two of Cups. So all of these four energies actually talking about the union that will be happening between both of you here in the month of August 2021, as well as the realization from your person's side here. So one thing that I've got coming up quite strongly here is that there is a distance between both of you at this point of time here, Aries. Either you or your person could be living in a distance, like could be living in a different country, could be living in a different city, different country, like a different state is what I'm getting coming up here. Now another thing that I've got coming up from your person here is that for all of this time they have been running away, or they've been denying the connection that both of you share. And with this moon energy that I've got coming up here and the High Priestess energy coming up here, the last new moon, the previous new moon energy here, and the Lion Gates energy is actually awakening them. Like all of these doubts and all of this running, all of this back and forth energy, all of this running and chasing dynamic that both of you have been sharing here, Aries, is finally going to come to the end this month of August 2021, where your person actually have gone through a strong realization here, and they are finally understanding the connection that both of you have. And with this High Priestess energy here, they are no longer doubting themselves, they are no longer doubting the intuition, and they're no longer doubting the connection here. And with this Six of Swords energy and the Knight of Swords energy coming up here, this is almost like they are going to be coming towards you, like running in a lightning speed is what I'm getting coming up here. So whatever distance that both of you are currently going through at this point of time here, Aries, by the end of this month of August, or like by after this month of August 2021, everything is just going to come to the end. All of this running and chasing dynamic, all of this distance, both of you are finally going to be able to see each other face to face again here is what I'm getting. Now coming back to the union energy that I'm getting coming up for both of you here, I've got the Lovers energy and the Six of Cups energy coming up here. Like I said before, they have gone through a huge awakening, I would say here, that finally making them realizes and finally making them understand the connection that both of you shared here. So all of this time they've been running away from the connection, but now they're actually starting to realize that there is this strong connection between both of you here. No matter what, they keep on being pulled to your direction here is what I'm getting, which is also why I'm getting the union energy that is going to be happening between both of you here, Aries. Now let's look into the advice message that I'm getting coming up for you. I've got Rebirth coming up here, and I've also got Receive energy coming up here as well. Rebirth: reinvent yourself, give life to your dreams, create a new reality. I've also got Receive coming up here as well. Be open to receive goodness. Believe you are worthy of abundance. A gift is coming towards you. So a gift is coming towards you. I feel like this is more of a commitment and the union that will be coming up towards you here. And with this Receive energy that I'm getting coming up for you here, Aries, you need to let go of all of this regretful energy, of all of this self-blaming energy here, and believe within yourself here that you deserve to be moving forward into the union between you and your person. And I've also got the Rebirth energy coming up here. This is the phase that both of you and your person are currently going through at this point of time here. A very strong rebirth process, refinding yourself here before both of you coming up into the union. That's it for your reading here, Aries. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.